For the viewers who watch my three-part series on how to build a staircase or a set of stairs, I'm happy to announce I'm releasing another series on how to build a railing and newel posts for that set of stairs. You can see here's the main stairs that I built in those previous videos. My railing will have to go around the staircase, the stair opening. I have a short section of stairs here, then to the landing, then down. I'm going to have to build 5.5 newel posts. The newel post itself will be roughly 40 inches tall. I'll have a base, a larger base. It'll be 7 inches tall. The newel post will be constructed in 3 pieces. The base, which is at the bottom, the newel post itself, and then a cap. Here I have a cross-sectional detail. If you slice the newel post in half, all the material will be 7/8 ash. I'll have a rabbet on the end. Everything will be biscuited together. So this gives you an overview. I have some other drawings here. This is a view from the basement looking at the stairs. This is if you were to walk up the stairs and up the landing. You can see how the railing is supposed to work. I'm not going to be focusing on the actual stair railing at this point. It's just going to be the upper landing railing. Here's another view. This is the railing I'll be focusing on here. This one isn't as important at this moment. So most of the designs will be after the man Steve Maxwell. I have this article here, if anyone keeps the Home Workshop magazine from winter 2010. We're pretty much going to be doing this, except a very simplified version. And just in this, here's the caps there. It's a pretty good article, how he shows you how to build these boxes. We're going to make it really simple and really easy, just because I don't want to spend too much time on it. Here's all the rough lumber we're going to need. On this side will be the roughly 5-inch pieces, or 4 7/8 wide pieces for the newel posts. 3.5-inch pieces that will go into that will accept the rabbet of the 5-inch pieces, and then over here we're going to have some more base plates. So first step will be trimming everything to size. I'm going to square one edge. Most of it's plane to 7/8. I might do a light touch up, and then we'll join an edge, cut it on the table saw, rough size, and then plane it. So here we go. So I have everything rough cut here. It's cut to width, rough cut to length. One thing I did is I marked the inside of the newel post. So for example, this board has a knot here, but on the outside there's no knot. So this is going to be the inside, as with this one as well. So you can see an imperfection there. So that's the inside. The outside's fine. What I'm going to do, because this is a rough plane, I'm just going to run it through my planer, one pass to get it almost bang on 7/8, and to just clean the surface up. So here we go. So on the newel post itself, because I'm making this wider base profile here, you can see it on the outside here. The newel post is on the inside. So a way you can get more material or better material out of your raw material is I'm actually going to hide this knot underneath that larger base profile. So when I measure down, my total height of my newel post is roughly 39.5. That allows me to not only remove the snipe at the end of the newel post, but then at the same time, because my base is going up 7 inches, I can now cover this knot. So when the people in the house see the post, they see almost from that point up, so there's no knots. As with this piece here too, same idea. I come down, my 39.5 is roughly here, and then when I go up 7 inches, there's going to be just enough to cover the worst part of this knot. Meanwhile, on the inside of this board, you can see I still have rough saw marks here from the sawmill and down here as well, so that's going to be hidden on the inside and eventually dated out. See this one here, we couldn't exactly get it flat in order to get my 7/8 thickness. So that's a way you can cheat to make your wood and make the quality of your work look better. Okay, we got the 7/8 dado stack in there. That's about as max as this table saw could do. I didn't have much threads left on the lock nut there. Originally I was going to do it in 2 passes to make up the 7/8, so a 1/2 inch here plus another 1/2 inch. But what I've discovered is it will leave, you might not be able to see that, it'll leave a small gap right there. And if that gap right there is on the inside, or it's a little bit larger on the inside, you're going to see a space here when I glue this together. So I'm going to use the 7/8 dado stack to hog all this out, get it flat so I can get a nice, smooth, flat mounting surface without having a hand plane. So here we go.